So, recently in my previous video, I disclosed that I got a massive lot of Lego pieces and Lego sets and Lego figures. However, some of these figures and some of these pieces had Sharpie stains on them. Yes, I know, Sharpie stains are a real pain, and you can find these in almost every lot that contains figures from the years 2008 and beyond. Because many of the kids back then thought it would be very cool to grab Sharpies and write all over the figures to customize them. However, this is very annoying because it decreases the value substantially. The most painful thing was that my Sabine Wren helmet that was worth $100 alone had Sharpie stains on it, which is really annoying because it really decreases the value. However, I'm going to tell you guys an easy and simple way on how you guys can remove Sharpie stains yourself, and it can be done in this simple method. Firstly, go and grab a toothbrush you're not going to be using. Second, go and get toothpaste. Then, by simply applying and scrubbing gently on the figure parts this way to reduce the reduction of prints and the fading of them, go gently and it will remove all Sharpie stains. It's a much better alternative than using things like hydrogen peroxide because that can decrease the prints and make them fade and wear off. That's why toothpaste is honestly the best option for removing Sharpie stains. And for these reasons, I believe that the best way to remove Sharpie stains has got to be to use toothpaste and applying it gently to rub off all the Sharpie stains. And this is the final result of the clone troopers after I had finished removing all the Sharpie stains. Anyway, if you guys found this video useful and informative, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one.